Every day, a lot of creators give up on YouTube. Some of these creators do not even make up to 50 videos before they start giving up. And the reason why is because the truth is that YouTube actually takes a lot of time to understand your channel and gather the data that they need to understand what your channel is all about. And this can actually discourage a lot of creators, especially a lot of creators that they compare themselves to other channels all the time. So before you know it, they'll just give up on the whole YouTube thing. So on this video, I'm going to be explaining the entire growth phase that all new creators are going to experience here on YouTube before they get that video that will actually blow up their channel. And also on this video, I'll be talking and advising a lot of creators on why they shouldn't quit on YouTube in the very beginning. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The honest truth is that growing a YouTube channel is like planting a tree. If you plant a tree and then you keep tending to that tree is going to keep growing, and then later on you'll be able to harvest the fruit of the tree. Also, if you look at how tree grows, like whenever you plant a tree, if you are to be checking on that tree every single day, you won't see any result, because it's going to take some time for it to germinate and then be able to start growing. So if you keep checking on it, the first day you check on that tree, the second day you check on that tree, you are not going to see any result because it's not growing yet. So that's exactly how YouTube channel also work. So when you start creating your YouTube channel and you're uploading your video is like tending to your tree. So when you keep uploading and uploading, your YouTube channel will keep growing, and before you know it, you start seeing results. So that's how it also works. So in the beginning of your YouTube journey, when you are getting little or no views, or you are not getting results, that's how it's going to be. So all you have to do is just keep uploading more videos, and YouTube will keep getting data about your channel, and before you know it, you get that viral video that is going to blow up your YouTube channel. Let me quickly show you guys something. If you take a look at this video that you can see on your screen right now, you will notice that this video is having 7,000 views. But the truth is that in the beginning, when I uploaded this video on my channel, it was having low views, and then gradually it started getting views, and now it's having 7,000 views on my YouTube channel, and it's still bringing views on a daily basis. So this is to tell you that when it comes to YouTube, a lot of stuff, they are going to take time before they will start getting a lot of views. And also, if you take a look at my YouTube channel, I myself, from experience, my YouTube channel, when I started, I was always getting stuck at 40 views, 17 views on my videos. But now some of my videos are having 900 views, 500 views, and I know that with some time it's going to get better, and that's for sure. So if you are a new YouTube creator watching this video right now and you are getting low views on your channel, all you have to do is keep uploading and getting better per each upload, and I can promise you that by sooner or later you are going to start seeing some good results on that your YouTube channel. Sometimes it actually looks like YouTube is unfair to small creators, or rather small channels, because when small channels they upload a video, or rather new channels they upload a video, YouTube will just give them little views, sometimes 200 views, 100 views. But when a big creator is to upload a video, sometimes they just get like 200,000 views, 300,000 views. So sometimes it's actually going to seem unfair that YouTube is just pushing big creators and they are not giving small creators the views that they deserve, because there will be situations where you actually upload a video and your video is having better quality and is having better value than the one that a big creator actually uploaded, but that big creator will be having like 100 and something thousand views. But your own video that is actually better, YouTube will just give it maybe like 500 views, or stuff like that. And that's actually sometimes unfair. But if you have to take a look at it, YouTube, they actually want to match the right video to the right audience. So if your channel is actually new and they don't have a lot of data about your channel, they won't be able to give that your channel massive views yet, because they don't understand your channel fully yet. So that's just how it works. So all you have to do is just keep uploading from time to time, and allowing YouTube to be able to experiment on your videos, because it's only when you're uploading all the time that YouTube will be able to experiment with your videos. And when they are experimenting with your videos often, they will be able to fully understand that have all the data that they need about your channel, and before you know it, you get that video that you are looking for that will blow up your channel. Even I myself that I'm talking, I'm uploading every day because I'm actually trying my best to give YouTube all the data that they need, so that I myself can also have the viral video that will blow up my own YouTube channel. Now, before we bring this video to an end, let's quickly talk about consistency. The most important form of being consistent is when you are able to, keep uploading on a steady basis without looking at those low views that you are getting in the beginning of your YouTube journey. Because if you pay too much attention to that low views, you are going to get discouraged really quickly. So all you have to do is just keep uploading on a steady, and once you are doing that, you are going to be providing the data that YouTube actually need about your channel way faster. And also at the same time, you are going to be sharpening your skills, because when you are always uploading, you are going to be editing all the time. So you are going to be sharpening your skills, like your editing skills, your ability to create thumbnail faster, and stuff like that. So that's what you have to do. Just keep uploading all the time, and you'll be providing everything that YouTube actually needs from your channel to give you a lot of views in the future. So I hope that with all I've said in this video, I've been able to convince you guys to keep uploading on your YouTube channel and not quit on your YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel, I advise that you smash that subscribe button to stay connected and help me on my YouTube journey. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And like I said earlier, do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos. You might start seeing some of my playlists. So you can also take out time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.